Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. In this video, I am going to explain trigonometric ratios. Watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. The ratios of sides of right angle triangle are known as trigonometric ratios. Now let's write the values of trigonometric ratios. First of all, take your left hand and assume little finger as 0 degrees, ring finger as 30 degrees, middle finger as 45 degrees, forefinger as 60 degrees and thumb finger as 90 degrees. Now first let's write the values of sin theta. Now let's write value for sin 0 degrees. We assume little finger as 0 degrees. For sin we should count from thumb to little finger. From thumb to little finger. So little finger is 0. Below 0 we are not having any fingers. So the formula is root fingers left. That means no fingers. So 0 by 2. This is a formula. Now root 0 is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So sin 0 is 0. Now let's take for sin 30. Ring finger is sin 30. We should close this. For sin we should count from thumb to little finger. So below sin 30 we have one finger. So formula is root fingers left. That means one finger. Root 1 by 2. Root 1 is nothing but 1. 1 by 2. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now for sin 45, middle finger is sin 45, so we should close this finger. If we count from thumb to little finger, we have two fingers left. So root 2 by 2. Denominator 2 we can write as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel, we will get 1 by root 2. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now sin 60. Forefinger is sin 60. So we should close this forefinger and we should count from thumb to little finger. After closing this finger, we have three fingers left. So the formula is root fingers left. That means 3 by 2. So sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Now let's write value for sin 90. We assumed thumb finger as 90 degrees. So we should close thumb finger. We should write the fingers remaining. We have 4 fingers remaining. So formula is root 4 by 2. Root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So sin 90 is 1. Now let's write cos values. There are two ways to write cos values. First way is for sin we counted from thumb to little finger. For cos we should count from little finger to thumb finger. The another way is we got sin values. If we reverse these values and write, those are cos values. Let's use second way. Sin 90 is nothing but cos 0. So cos 0 is 1. Sin 60 is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now sin 45 is again cos 45. Both are same. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Now sin 30 is cos 60. Sin 30 we have 1 by 2. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 0 is cos 90. Sin 0 is 0. So cos 90 is 0. Now let's check this is correct or not by using first way. I am taking for cos 30. Cos 30 is ring finger. We should close this 30. For cos we should count like this. So after closing cos 30 we have 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So formula is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now let's write tan values. For tan there is formula, that is tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now let's take tan 0. Tan 0 equal to sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 is 0 by cos 0 is 1. 0 by anything is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Now tan 30. Tan 30 means sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. We have 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now tan 45 means sin 45 by cos 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So tan 45 is 1. Now tan 60 means sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Root 3 by 1 nothing but root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Now tan 90 means sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. So sin 90 is not defined. Now let's write cot values. For cot there are two ways. First way is we can do 1 by tan theta. This is first way. Another way is we have tan theta values. If you write this reverse, those are cot values. Let's use second way. Tan 90 is cot 0. Tan 90 is not defined. So cot 0 is not defined. Tan 60 is cot 30. Tan 60 is root 3. So cot 30 is root 3. Tan 45 is 1 and cot 45 is also 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Tan 0 is 0. So cot 90 is 0. Now let's check this. This is correct or not. I am taking for cot 60. Let's use first way. Cot 60 is 1 by tan 60. 1 by tan 60 is root 3. So 1 by root 3. So cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Now let's write cosecant values. To write cosecant values, there is one formula, that is 1 by sin theta. Now let's write cosecant 0, that is 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined, so cosecant 0 is not defined. Now let's write cosecant 30. 1 by sin 30, that is 1 by 2. This 2 we should bring to numerator, then this will become 2 by 1. So cosecant 30 is 2. Now let's write cosecant 45, that is 1 by sin 45. 1 by root 2. So if you bring this root 2 up, this will become root 2 by 1. So cosecant 45 is root 2. Now cosecant 60, that is 1 by sin 60, that is 1 by root 3 by 2. If you bring this 2 to numerator, we will get 2 by root 3. So cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Now cosecant 90, that nothing but 1 by sin 90. Sin 90 is 1, so 1 by 1 is 1, so cosecant 90 is 1. Now let's write secant values. To write secant values, there are two ways. First way is we should use this formula 1 by cos theta. This is first way. Another way is we have cosecant values. Those if you write reverse, those are secant values. So I am again using second way. Now cosecant 90 is secant 0, that is 1. Cosecant 60 is secant 30, that is 2 by root 3. Now cosecant 45 is secant 45. Cosecant 40 we have root 2, so secant 45 also root 2. Cosecant 30 is secant 60. Cosecant 30 we have 2, so secant 60 is 2. Cosecant 0 is secant 90. Cosecant 0 is not defined, so secant 90 is also not defined. Now let's check this. Let's check for secant 90. We should use this formula 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos 90, that is 1 by 0. Anything by 0 is not defined, so secant 90 is not defined. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this trick. If you remember sin theta values using this trick, you can write whole trigonometric ratios table very easily. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications.